friends, today I want to share with you this product that I just received today, and I'm going to try this night. These are earplugs for the cancellation of noise, are perfect for sleep, for work, for concentration, for go to a concert. So let me open it with you because I want to show you how they look. Came in this box. Have these instructions right here. And this perfect case that help you to carry on with you to any place. You just open it here, and here it is. Came these two and these four accessories. Look, are these ones, but also came with all these accessories in this box. Let me show you. Have 3 different sizes and all these accessories that you can use for the thing that you need it. So look, let me open it. Another like this, and all this little. So the way that you can use it is in this part, you can just move it, and you can use the accessory that you need at that moment. For example, I'm gonna put this one. As you can see, it's so easy to make the change of the accessory. So as you can see, this was so easy. So you have 2 parts of this and so many accessories for any moment that you need. And you just put in your ear this way. I'm gonna put 2 above. You just use it this way. As you can see, are small, are so elegant too. Looks good, and the feeling is comfortable. The earplug is soft, easy to put, and feels good in your ear. So if you need to reduce the noise or cancel the noise, I highly recommend these earplugs. See you.